This game is called Target 300. It is from Do the Math Multiplication C. In order to play this game, you're going to need one number cube, which is 1 through 6. You will need workspace page 27, just one page for teams of 2. You'll split your students into groups of 2. They'll play each other as player A and player B. In order to play this game, we are trying to get as close to 300 as we can in 6 turns without going over. So, player A will roll. Say player A gets a 5. Then I would choose to multiply that 5 by 10, 20, 30, 40, or 50. And you might have students write those numbers up at the top here just so we know what we're working with. Alright, so if this player decides to multiply by 20, they might break the 20 into 2 times 10. So 5 times 2 is 10. 10 times 10 is 100. Alright, so that score is going to be 100. Now player B will go. Oh, player B got a 5 as well. Maybe player B decides to multiply theirs by 50. 5 times 50. So we might do, for 50, we might do a 5 and a 10. Okay, so 5 times 5 is 25. 25 times 10 is 250. So at this point, player B is winning. Alright, but player B is also super close. So I'm not really sure what they're going to multiply by. That might not have been a great move because I'm not sure what they're going to multiply in 6 turns anything more. Alright, so maybe that wasn't the best strategy. Let's see what player 1 does, or player A. So player A is going to do 3 times 10, which they could do this into a 2 and a 5. We'd do 3 times, oh, that's super easy. They don't need to do that. Equals 30. Alright, so now we're at 130 here. Okay, so they keep going for 6 turns, and we would have to say they add their amounts, and the winner is the player whose score is closer to 300 at the end of 6 turns. And that's how you play Target 300.